GovOrch AI helps GSA teams turn fragmented acquisition, spending, and contractor performance data into actionable intelligence. Instead of forcing information into a new centralized platform, GovOrch connects to data where it already lives, creating a governed intelligence layer across existing federal systems. The data engineer begins in connections, where GovOrch lists the data sources available across the environment. The screen shows GSA-related sources including FPDS contracts, USA spending, CPARS evaluations, CPARS narratives, and payment accuracy. The data engineer can test a connection, inspect its configuration, review available tables and fields, and confirm the source is ready for governed use. From there, the engineer moves into data pipelines, where GovOrch can generate pipeline designs directly from natural language. Instead of manually mapping every step, the engineer describes the data preparation goal, and GovOrch translates that request into a structured workflow. GovOrch then generates a DAG diagram that represents the pipeline design visually, showing each step in the workflow. Each node can be inspected, giving technical teams a clear view of how data is being prepared, transformed, and governed before business users rely on the results. The engineer can also review recent workflow runs, including status and timing, to understand how pipelines are performing over time. Now, let's move into Ask GovOrch, where the user can ask questions directly against the distributed data connections. The user starts by asking what spending, payment, and contract performance-related datasets are available. GovOrch returns a summary of available sources spread across diverse connection types such as Postgres databases, Databricks sources, Amazon S3 files, and other connected data sources. It identifies data related to federal spending, payment accuracy, contract awards, and contractor performance across multiple systems. The user asks a foundational question: which organizations received the highest federal contract obligations in fiscal year 2024, and which agencies funded those awards? GovOrch responds with a consolidated view of the government's largest fiscal year 2024 contract recipients, ranked by total obligations and linked to the agencies funding those awards. Next, the user asks GovOrch to identify where high improper payment rates overlap with major fiscal year 2024 federal awards. While GovOrch works, the LLM is reasoning through the user's business intent, searching the catalog for available sources and metadata, narrowing down the right tables and fields, writing the queries needed to pull the data, analyzing any intermediate transformations, and compiling the results back to the user's question. Now the GovOrch user can ask a more complex cross-system question. Which agencies have both high improper payment rates and poor contractor performance scores, and what does their fiscal year 2024 contract spending reveal? The resulting view helps leaders identify agencies where payment risk, contract volume, and contractor performance concerns may be converging. It also distinguishes isolated performance issues from vendors with a broader history of lower ratings. GovOrch can also focus the analysis on a specific acquisition environment, for example, comparing top DoD contractors by contract value, CPARS ratings, and fiscal year 2024 obligations. This creates a side-by-side view of contract value, reported obligations, and performance, helping acquisition leaders evaluate whether spending concentration is supported by strong performance records. GovOrch is built to be explainable by design. The user asks about the methodology used to arrive at the answer. GovOrch shows its approach and summarizes the data flow, including source files, data, relevant fields, filtering, aggregation logic, and classification steps. This gives the user not only the answer, but the transparent path behind the answer: what data was used, how it was joined, what decisions were made, and how GovOrch reached its conclusions. GovOrch can also convert the analysis into an interactive visualization. Here, leaders can compare total FPDS contract values with fiscal year 2024 USA spending obligations and quickly identify spending concentration, reporting differences, or contractors requiring closer review. Instead of reviewing each system independently, acquisition, financial management, and program integrity teams can investigate the relationship between spending, payment risk, and contractor performance in one governed workflow. This can help agencies prioritize oversight, focus acquisition reviews, identify emerging risk, and make more informed decisions about federal spending. GovOrch AI. No more stovepipes, no more one-off integration work, no more spreadsheet drudgery, just governed, agentic data orchestration.